Did these just get modded?
We can check. You never know.
Echo chime.
It might be key card, but we'll see. I think it's only a certain.
Yeah, this is a crappy mod. 14.
No, because they really can't. They have to like.
I think these used to be Fujitec's with monitor.
It also. I don't know. Which
Yeah,
one
it's
on.
not
I think
good.
it's on the attack one.
I mean, now to really think of it, I hadn't filmed these actually.
So sometimes those
9?
ones, they get like they have to stay longer.
Interlocks replaced. Yeah, it looks like these were Fujitec originally.
Yeah, I think we just bumped into the service elevator, or at least
It's possible this one doubles as the service, but I don't know for sure.
they do have a rear, so.
I think there's also a separate service elevator bank here too.
Oh, this one looks different from the 10th floor.
Wannabe.
Yes. And we'll do a second ride.
Yeah, definitely. What was that?
Oh, sometimes elevators make noises.
Oh, I know they make noises. I'm just wondering what caused the noise.
Good question. We'll probably have to ask someone who knows about it. Maybe Andrew might.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Here we are now.
I'll ask him.
Alright, let's go up one more time.
Yep.
These are pretty nice, but I definitely wish they were original.
Oh, me, I agree. I certainly agree.
That's the counterweight. Notice a lot of buildings here, 13 floors. You don't typically see that.
Yeah, you definitely don't.
Yeah, let's send this one down. We'll get a different one.
Oh. You can see on all of these.
Looks like they redid this hotel at some point.
Yeah, because the 10th floor didn't have the same graphics as the
That's the ice and vending area. The service elevator's gotta be behind there. Didn't mean to scare you.
No, you didn't.
There's a little bit of Arlington.
Yeah, and we're in the south end of it. I can see Alexandria from here. That little tower right there is I don't know what it is, but
Yeah, that's definitely Alexandria there.
yeah. And then we can go to that
Yeah, we can go to that side too.
there's a high range at the top.
Yep. Guess we can head there next.
Sure.
You can see the pool for it too.
Oh yeah, I saw it too.
This seems like a nice hotel.
Oh yeah.
Marriott properties are usually very nice.
And this actually looks nicer than usual. Most of them.
I've only stayed in 2 Marriott properties that have been bad, and both of them have since lost their franchises.
Let's get the other.
Yep. Mad BP fixtures.
Is it another elevator?
See, does this? Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, it does do the Thyssenkrupp trick. All right, we'll get off on lobby. Pretty nice. I think there is a bank of parking elevators here. We'll try to get those. Hopefully those are original. And here we are. There it goes. Oh dear.